Kisle, welcome to Storytellers Are Us, the origin story. Thank you so much for making the time for us.
Thank you, Kisley. We are big fans of the film, and we never got a chance to kind of really sit down and pick your brains during Mami.
In fact, the film started its journey with the Mumbai Festival last year, and I received a lot of positive reviews. And it's a good thing that that we continue this conversation.
Let's get the special guest of this show in. Anvita Dutt, who loved your film, is going to join us. So, guys, can we get Anvita in, who's in the waiting room? Oh my God! Hi, Anvita.
Hi, why is this?
Anvita, you look like you walked off a Sabyasachi shoot, yeah.
This is me on a Thursday. Hi, Kisle.
Hi, Anvita. Hi. Nice to see you here.
Nice to see you. What does your name mean?
It's a Hindi word. It means new leaf.
What a beautiful name.
Thank you.
Oh my God. First off, Kisle कितनी प्यारी picture बनाई है. Can't believe that it's your first film. It doesn't feel like a first-time filmmaker's film at all. I was so impressed. But more than that, I think the first thought that came to me while I was watching the film was that it's such a violent film. It's the worst kind of violence, and I was afraid while watching it. Like, मुझे डर लग रहा था हर moment पे. And it's like small little bits, freedom seemed like transgressions. Even I wanted to say क्यों कर रही है, which is so disturbing. You are like, it's like a horror film, where you're edge of the seat and you're saying, don't go into that room, don't walk down that dark corridor. I felt like that all the time. The second time round also, I was sucked into the world and as involved as I was the first time, which is so amazing. And it's really interesting when I started watching it, and I was like, Smriti sent this film to me, and that I'm the one going to have this conversation with you, because I am somebody who loves fantasy. What I read and to whatever little extent that I watch stuff, it's all fantastical or speculative fiction. That's what I like writing and making myself. And that's again the thing that proves my point, that authenticity is it, regardless of how you say it, whether you set it in a fantastical world or the real world. Authenticity is what is the most important thing for a storyteller. You need to make people believe these people exist and that they feel this way. And you did it so beautifully. It made me recognize myself. It made me recognize so many women that I know, and so many women in my family. It's so real, so authentic. Every emotion, every moment, character, the line said, what is unsaid, so authentic. I think इसीलिए वो डर भी इसीलिए लगा, इसीलिए it was disturbing, because you recognize the claustrophobia, you recognize the छोटी चीजें जो हम, I mean, all of us seem to take for granted, but they are not for these women. Even that phool lagana, that fact that that house is so dark, it has papered windows and those dark, dingy curtains. Everything seemed like there are walls within walls, which are cornering these women and defining their roles, and it didn't feel like a film. I felt like I was living it. I felt like I was part of that life. It was really, really beautifully told, and the shot taking and everything. I never felt, I think, which is possibly the biggest compliment that I can give you, is I never was aware of the director. At no point in time did you draw attention to yourself. I never felt like a film was being shot. So that's where I feel that your craft is so strong, because it requires great skill not to show your skill. Not like saying ki acha aap documentary not like that ki that you're just like shooting it randomly to show ki main real shoot kar raha hu, wo bhi nahi tha. The trap is that also na, that I'm shooting a realistic film, now I'll shoot it like this. You didn't even do that. That's where I thought it was really skillful in terms of your craft, shot taking, the way it was, your camera work, your sound design, your production design, your costumes, everything felt lived in and real, without again saying ki aging kariye kapdon ki, costume designer ने, you know, जो जानबूझ के स्विच बोर्ड के ऊपर थोड़ा सा डार्क, वो वन आई डिडंट फील लाइक दैट एट ऑल.
Subscribe to Geomami Mumbai Film Festival and hit the bell icon to keep yourself updated on conversations on Storytellers Are Us, the origin story.